Hello and welcome back to Getting Started with your LMS. So, let's say you need to find a specific course or lesson. Where should you search? You have two options. The first option is if you already know the name of the course. For example, if you're interested in learning more about candidate sourcing, you can simply click on the Candidate Sourcing category. This will show you all the videos and courses related to that topic. Another option is to use the search bar. This is a great way to find specific courses or lessons by name. For example, let's say you're interested in learning about marketing. Just type marketing into the search bar and hit enter. For a wider range of relevant results, use the main LMS search bar, as this will not only display matching courses and lessons, it will also show documents that you've uploaded to your LMS. You can see how many results there are in total. In this case, there are 46 results, and you can even click View More to see additional options. So, next time you're looking for something specific in your LMS, don't forget the search bar. It's a powerful tool that can help you find exactly what you need. See you in the next video.